The computer is my ultimate weapon. It facilitates all of my consulting prowess. It allows me to vertically integrate and manage my operation as a solo artist. It is my employee, warehouse, heavy lifting machinery, and consultant. I'm good at repairing and maintaining computers. I'm probably better than average, I'd say, at using them. That is my strength. Now this combo of complementary skills, that's valuable. I made some good money repairing and maintaining computers. I've made even more money providing IT solutions to independent startup schools. That was my niche, that was my lane. That makes a lot of sense to focus my consulting on providing these solutions to other smaller business clients in my neighborhood, near our home, and near our daughter's school. Makes even more sense to offer these services to small business people that I know. I've done that. And here's what I know now as a result. Most folks, especially the folks I know, seem to value computer solutions the way they value oil changes. Now they're valued as necessary nuisances that are quite routine. See, the oil change itself, that's not a big deal. Paying for the oil change, it's not a big deal. Now there's something about computer work and perhaps the computer worker, that's me, that makes folks who know you, mainly friends and family, feel like they don't need to pay unless you force the issue, which of course kind of threatens your relationship. Now these are decent, productive, kind, upstanding people, the kind you need in your life, but maybe not as customers. So I've decided to leverage these situations in a different, hopefully tactful way. Whenever the customer tries to control the income, I take control of the outcomes that I'll be responsible for. I no longer charge friends and family, but I decide when the project starts, when it finishes, and what will be accomplished. I ask them straight up to give me any equipment that they deem obsolete. I also ask for online or written recommendations, both of which are quite beneficial. I use the pro bono solutions I provide in my marketing literature. It's quite valuable for that. Now this helps me maintain balance in these relationships with concrete, enforceable boundaries and still walk away with tangible compensation.